I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Jeep Cherokee into neutral, focusing on the easy manual override method. This is especially helpful if your vehicle has no power or if you need to move it without the engine running. We will cover the steps to safely engage neutral and important considerations to keep in mind throughout the process. Let's get started and ensure you can manage your vehicle effectively. First, you'll need to access the manual neutral release. Begin by locating the trim panel around your electronic shifter. Using a small, flat tool, gently pry up this panel to reveal the components underneath. Be careful not to damage any plastic clips or surrounding surfaces. Once the panel is removed, you will see the manual override mechanism, often a colored tab or lever, which is crucial for the next step. Now let's engage neutral. With the access panel removed, identify the neutral release lever, which is typically orange or brightly colored. Next, you will need to push a small locking tab to the side. While holding this tab, firmly pull the main orange lever upwards until it locks into place. This action manually disengages the transmission, putting your Jeep Cherokee into neutral, allowing it to be moved. Before and after engaging neutral, safety is paramount. Always ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before you begin any procedure. Once in neutral, double-check that the vehicle is on a level surface and cannot roll unexpectedly. For precise instructions tailored to your specific model, always refer to your Jeep Cherokee's owner's manual. Staying safe is the most important part of this process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.